Hello students, today we will be doing question number 2. Now in question number 2 it has been said that let A be the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, B be the matrix 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8 and 3, 6, 9, and C be the matrix 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and D be the matrix minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 5, 6 and 7, 8 and minus 9. And we have to find out that which of the following statements are true. Option A, determinant of matrix A is equal to determinant of matrix B. Option B is determinant of matrix C is equal to determinant of matrix D. Option C is determinant of matrix B is equal to negative of determinant of matrix C. And option D is determinant of the matrix A is negative of the determinant of matrix D. So these are the four options. So now if you consider the matrices A, B, C, D that has been given over here, as you can see they contain basically the same digits, except I guess in matrix D, where you can see that there are negative numbers as well, but basically they are consisting of the same digits. In option D, in the matrix D, there are some negative signs associated with some of the numbers. Okay, now if you consider option A, matrix A, B and C, now you can see that in matrix A, B and C they are all composed of the same digits, and basically the arrangement of the matrices differ. Basically some row operations or some transpose operations has been done on the matrix A to get the matrix B and matrix C. Like example, for B you can see that the matrix B is 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8 and 3, 6, 9. This matrix B is nothing but the transpose of the matrix A. So if you can write that A transpose is basically equal to the matrix B. Now if A transpose is equal to the matrix B, therefore you definitely get that basically the determinant of the transposes are basically the same. So you can say that determinant of the matrix A will be equal to determinant of matrix B. Okay, and again if we consider the so first option which has been given, that determinant of A is equal to determinant of B, so option A is the correct. Let's consider the second option. The second option is determinant of matrix C is equal to determinant of D. That is not realistically possible, since as you can see over here there is a negative sign associated with some numbers over here. So that means that there is a negative value associated over here. So therefore option B, which says that determinant of matrix C is equal to determinant of matrix D, that is incorrect. So this will imply that option B is incorrect. Now coming back to option C. Option C says that determinant of matrix B is equal to negative of determinant of matrix C. Now the matrix B has been given as 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8 and 3, 6, 9. Okay, so now if we replace take the transpose of this matrix, suppose, or let us not take the matrix B, because there are some the process that we can follow in determinant of B is not exactly correct. So let us ignore this part, we'll come back to this later on. Let us consider the matrix A. Now if you consider the matrix A, you can see that the matrix A is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now if we do the row operations, suppose if we replace row 1 and row 2 are interchange. If row 1 and row 2 are interchange, we get 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. The third row remains unchanged, and this matrix is nothing but the matrix C. Okay, so as you can see, when we do one row operation, when we interchange just one row, in that case the matrix A becomes the matrix C, and we know that when one row is changed, so that basically means there is a negative sign associated with a determinant. That is to be understood. So we get that determinant of matrix A will be negative of determinant of matrix C. Now we know that determinant of matrix A is nothing but determinant of B, so that implies the determinant B is equal to negative of determinant C. So this is the answer. Okay, so option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now let's find out for option A and option D. Let us find out the value of mod of determinant of A. So determinant of A is basically 1 into 45 minus 48. Let me do it directly. Plus 2 into 42 minus 36 plus 3 into 32 minus 35. So this will be equal to 45 minus 48 will be minus 3. 42 minus 36 will be 6. 6 into 2, this will be 12. 32 minus 35 minus 3. Minus 3 into 3, this will be again minus of 9. So as you can see, determinant of the matrix A is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us find out the value of the determinant of matrix D. So now if we find out the value of the determinant of matrix D, so this will be equal to minus 1 into 45 minus 48 plus 2 into 42 plus 36 plus 3 into 32 plus 35. So as you can see over here, this will be 45 minus 48, this will be 3. 42 into 36, this will be some 78 into 2, this will be 156. Plus 32 plus 35, this will be 67. 67 into 3, this will be I guess 200 something. 67 into 3, so this will be 180. 180, 201. So as you can see, this is not equal to 0 and this is thereby not equal to determinant A. So therefore option D is incorrect. So the correct options in this case are option A and option C. These are the correct options. So as you can see over, this is the way in which you solve question number 2 from the CMI data science question paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.